Imagine looking up at the night sky, staring at a tiny, distant speck of light, and realizing that someone or something might be staring right back at you. For centuries, humanity has asked the ultimate question. Are we alone in the universe? For a long time, this was just the stuff of science fiction. But right now, deep in the cold vacuum of space, a groundbreaking discovery has just brought us closer to the answer than ever before. Astronomers have done something once thought impossible. They have detected an atmosphere around a rocky, Earth-like planet orbiting a distant star. Welcome to LHS 1140b. This newly discovered world is located 48 light-years away from Earth. Now, in the grand scale of the universe, that's practically our cosmic backyard. But what makes this planet a game-changer isn't just its location. It's where it sits in relation to its star. Scientists call this area the Goldilocks zone, or the habitable zone. Think of it like the classic children's story. If a planet is too close to its star, it becomes a scorched, lava-filled hellscape where oceans instantly boil away. If it's too far, it turns into a frozen, lifeless tomb. But LHS 1140b sits exactly in the sweet spot. It is a place where temperatures are just right, meaning liquid water, the absolute essential ingredient for life, could actually exist on its surface. But a planet needs more than just the right temperature to host life. It needs a shield. It needs an atmosphere. Without one, a planet is completely exposed to the deadly, burning radiation of space. And that is where our story takes a thrilling turn. How do you look at a planet trillions of miles away and figure out what its air smells like? You can't just take a picture. Instead, scientists had to become cosmic detectives, using a technique called spectroscopy. Imagine watching a planet pass directly in front of its star. As the starlight passes through the outer edges of the planet, the gases in the air filter that light, trapping certain colors and letting others through. By capturing this filtered starlight, scientists can read the chemical fingerprint of an alien world. And when they read the fingerprint of LHS 1140b, they found something incredible: helium. Now, to be clear, helium alone cannot support human life. If you went there today, you couldn't breathe. But finding helium in the upper layers of the atmosphere is like finding a fresh footprint in the mud. It doesn't tell you exactly who walked there, but it proves that something massive is happening. It proves the planet is strong enough to hold onto its gases. And if there is helium at the top, it is highly likely that heavier, life-sustaining gases, like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or even oxygen, are trapped safely in the denser layers below. This discovery has officially ignited a modern-day space race. LHS 1140b isn't the only world we are watching. For a long time, all eyes were on another planet called K218b, which made headlines when scientists thought they saw signs of a gas produced by marine life. But nature doesn't give up its secrets easily. Recent analysis showed those signals were a false alarm. Then there is the famous TRAPPIST-1 system, a family of 7 rocky worlds. The powerful James Webb Space Telescope recently looked at one of them and confirmed it was a bare, dead rock with no air at all. Out of all these competitive targets, LHS 1140b is the one currently standing tall, holding onto its atmosphere, and keeping the dream of alien life alive. We are living in the true golden age of astronomy. Every single night, massive telescopes on Earth and in space are pulling back the curtain on the cosmos. We haven't found alien life just yet, but the boundary between us and a second Earth is shrinking every single day. Next time you look at the stars, remember, the answer to our oldest question might be waiting just 48 light-years away. If you want to stay on the front lines of the greatest hunt in human history, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the universe together. See you in the next video.